Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to manage port protection on your T-Mobile account and why this matters more than ever. Port protection is designed to stop SIM swap fraud, where scammers try to steal your phone number and access your accounts. With SIM swap attacks rising sharply in recent years, T-Mobile blocks number transfers by default to keep your lines safe. If you ever need to port your number out, you'll first need a port out PIN, which acts like a second lock. No transfer can happen without it. To manage this, open the T-Mobile app and sign in. Go to Account, then Manage Account, and tap Security Settings. Here, select Port Protection and set up your port out PIN if you don't already have one. You'll confirm the setup using SMS verification or biometrics like Face ID or fingerprint. Once the PIN is active, you can temporarily toggle port protection off if you're porting your number, but the PIN will still be required to complete the transfer. T-Mobile strongly recommends turning protection back on right after, since it's your best defense against unauthorized number theft.